All right, I'm back. I just had to pull up my other PowerPoint here. So let's take a look. Having some technical difficulty. I guess I got to share my screen with you. There we go. Okay, now we're good. All right, so here's a survey that was performed. And we have males and females. We have college graduates and non-college graduates, non-college graduates. So there's 187 total people. So we're trying to find some probabilities here. So what's the probability of male and female? What's the probability of male or college grad? What's the probability of male given college grad? So those are some different questions that we have to answer. So we have to decide what our bottom number is first before we attempt to find a probability. So for this one, male and college grad, they're not giving you any information. They're asking a question, yes, but they're not giving you any information. So when they don't give you any information, we treat the bottom number as the total. And then we go figure out what we're trying to find. So male and college grad. So you have to be a male and a college graduate to be part of this. So that's just 54. So that's this number, 54 over 187 is that answer. Okay. So then for the second one, male or college grad. So did they give you any information? You might say, well, what do you mean? Well, look at the third one, male given college grad. You are being provided information. Okay. So when you're provided information, that means the bottom number will change. So in the second one, they didn't give us any information. So it's still 187. So male or college grad. So how many males are there? Well, there's 54 and 31, there's 85 total. So we have 85 here. And then college grad, how many college graduates do we have? 116. But don't forget, if there's overlap, we have to subtract that number off. So are there any males and college graduates? Yes. That's 54. So we have to take those two numbers, 85 plus 116 minus 54, and that's 147. The other thing you can do, knowing that they do have overlap, you could just add this number, and then this number. Basically, you're taking all the males, whether they're college graduates or not, you don't care. Take all the males, and then you want the females who are college graduates. In this question, we would be excluding any females who are not college graduates, okay? And so again, we're not worried about simplifying our decimals. We're just writing these probabilities as fractions. So now here, we're talking about given information. So I've been given info. We're not out of 187 anymore. So what's the probability of a male given college graduate? So now we are only looking at this row, okay? So that means 116 goes on the bottom. We're excluding anybody who's not a college graduate here. And so we're trying to find the probability of male, so 54 goes on the top. So those are your probabilities there. Okay. So we just need to be aware if we have given questions, the bottom number is going to change. And you could be given the females. What's the probability of a college graduate given female? What's the probability of a male given not college graduate? So given, that would change your bottom number. So what's the probability of a female given not college graduate? So that would be, this is my bottom number. And then 40 would be on top. Okay. So male or college graduate and male given college grad, which is what we've already calculated. Okay. So let me know if you have any questions.